Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. If it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by. Please click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and of course share. Today we'll be preparing this delicious chicken curry sauce that's a perfect substitute for the regular tomato stew. If you want to see how I put this together, then keep on watching. These are the ingredients I'll be using, and here I have some salt, seasoning cubes, potatoes, carrots, vegetable oil, garlic and ginger, peppers, curry, coconut milk, spring onions, some tomatoes, and of course some chicken. So let's cook. So we begin by marinating the chicken parts. Here I have chicken drumsticks and some chicken thighs. So all I'll do now is marinate with a chicken marinade I made previously. I'll just mix all that together and set it aside for some hours to marinate. Now we place a clean pot on fire and then add in some vegetable oil, and once the vegetable oil heats up, we put in our marinated chicken and allow that fry on both sides until the chicken is at least 50% cooked. We keep turning that at intervals so it doesn't burn. That's what we'll just do at this stage. Now, once you notice it is 50% cooked, we take that off the heat and proceed with the next cooking step. So all I'm doing right now is taking out the chicken from the oil. Now into the same oil we add in our roughly blended peppers and onions and just stir that in. You see the black particles in the oil, don't worry about it at all. That is very rich flavor, and besides it's going to blend in with the sauce at the end of the day. You won't even notice any black particles were in there. So just let it fry and blend in. So all I'm doing right now is stirring the peppers to make sure it fries very well. So I'll just allow that to continue to fry, and once that is well fried, I go in with our chopped tomatoes. Now this was hand chopped. I'll just go in with that and then stir that in and allow it fry until it is well fried. Now once that is well fried, I add in minced garlic and ginger and stir that in. Then after stirring it in, I begin to prepare to season this sauce. Then I add in coconut milk. You notice I did not put everything I have. I just added as much as I wanted. So if you want the sauce to be more, you can put in more milk. So in there I added a generous amount of curry. This is curry sauce, so you add in a generous amount of that. I added in 2 seasoning cubes and diced potatoes, what we call Irish potatoes around here. I'll taste that, and then I realized I needed to add a little more salt, so I added in the salt, and I'll stir that and then go in with our chicken. Remember, the chicken was not 100% cooked at the beginning, so we'll just drop that into the sauce to allow it cook until it is well done. So I just drop that in and then cover the pot and allow it cook until the chicken is well cooked. A few minutes later, I come back to check on our sauce and it is looking very, very pretty. So I'll just stir that. You be careful so you don't scatter the chicken. So I just stir that, and I realized I am happy with the consistency of the sauce already, so I go in with carrots. I put the carrot now because I want it to lose a little bit of crunch, so I put that in and allow it cook for a few minutes. I'll just cover the pot and allow it cook for a few minutes, not more than 3 minutes. After that, I come back, check the pot. The carrot is soft enough for me. I'll stir that just to make sure it's not burning under. Cover and allow it to continue to cook. Then we come back and check what's happening with this beauty. You would notice the sauce has thickened even more. So it's at this point that I'll go in with our chopped spring onions. I'll just mix that in to give it some more color. And at this point, the sauce is ready. This is the perfect consistency for me. If you want it thicker, you can allow it to cook some more. If you want it lighter, you add in some milk from the beginning. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.